Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Collins Imudia Foundation renovating Epa House, Day 3. Collins Imudia they show us the way the work they go for Epa House. Epa daughter don't come today. Thank everybody where they support the papa and also thank the people where donate money given. She don't receive money today from Collins Imudia Foundation. So she dey happy well. So make I leave una with this video now. Make una see the way the work they go.
Good afternoon to all of you, everybody out there across the world. Good afternoon to my Canadian supporters, my American supporters, Italian supporters, German, Spanish, Ireland, Dublin, Cameroon, Ghana, Nigeria, Russia, across the world, London. God bless you all. Good afternoon, Mommy Triple P. Now easy man they call you now, so no vex. I don't forget something quick. You might call it Mommy Triple P, or just call you Mommy Triple P for now. So God bless you all. We're out. We've been out since morning, putting things in place. You know, we've got workers at Epa's house since morning. We went to carry workers. They've been working there. I guess it'll be almost through by now. You know, we get carpenters too who are working there. You know, and then the carpenters are doing ceiling there too. Meanwhile, plastering, flooring of Eritio's bedroom is ongoing, and I think the soccer way has been covered. But all of this we will see on Monday as per Eritio, because Eritio called me this morning to tell me that the water in their road will not allow me to pass. So I should not just bother coming, but that this is what they would love. This is what they want to do. I said no problem. So the work is ongoing at Eritio's place as I'm talking to you right now. So by Monday we'll drive down there, see what they've done this week. I will be paying for, and I'm not seeing. Let me get there to see, you know, how far they've gone on that. But at the upper where Paniye is, work is ongoing there now. So we'll go check them out now. That's what we're going to. And then we also got a vehicle to move Mama Favor from my previous side to the other side. You get, so I think she's arranging herself now in the new house we've gotten for her. We'll visit her too there. And then my brother Destiny Saza said, baby Wealth's mother, what will she do? I'm appealing to you. I tried to reach you, but I could not. I was with her, but we tried to reach you, we could not. So please reach me. That's why I'm telling people, please, it's better not to pledge than to pledge and not do, because the whole world is looking at you. You get to say, I want to do this, and you won't do. All through yesterday till today, we've been expecting our lady who promised us that she has a house at near Ted for that Igbo people who were trying to move from that upstairs that's not safe. You know, she came out here and said, I want to go and pay 1 year in my brother's house. Till now, since that yesterday, I've not heard one thing from that person. I tried to even reach them, but they are not reachable. You get, so I want the world to be aware. Before people will think maybe that one has been paid for, we are still trying to say come and pay. No, we are very transparent. You understand? So we've not heard from them. A lot of them come out here to make promises, and after the live video, happy. So we don't take people seriously as you get your credit. Once we get your credit, we'll say thank you, we just got it. So even if you have anything you want to do for us, please tell us after camera. Don't allow us to announce you and people will start thanking you, and at the end you won't do anything. You get, and then they will think maybe we've gotten it. Let us be the one to announce you. Oh, so brother from Atlanta, Georgia sent us this for this one. It's better than you coming here to say I want to donate 10 million, and after live video it won't reach you. It's more better we Collins Imudia Foundation come out to say so person gave us 1 million, God bless this person. I think that's what we'll be doing. So anytime we see your comment, you are saying I want to put 500,000. If we don't mention your comment, don't think we didn't see it. We saw it, but we're working and trading cautiously. Trading with caution, you get. So a very special afternoon to all of you. I'm seeing all your comments, all your greetings. Good afternoon to all of you. But I think make and clear the air. You understand? For all those, a lot of people told me, Collins, next week I'll send you money for like my sister. She said, Collins, next week I'll send you money. Mama Waila from Luxembourg. You know, she said, Collins, next week I'll send you money for another 50,000 to add to the 50,000 that our sister sent, so that they can buy, another people will add to it. Let's buy a chair for that IPA. I said, okay, God bless you, man. They never break. She don't credit me the 50K, and she said next week before. But before I would sleep and wake up, she has credited me the 50K. You understand? It's better that way. She didn't come out here to tell me I'll donate 50,000. No, she just kept it and told me off camera. And now I'm telling the world that Mama Waila from Luxembourg gave us 50K. So now the partner has 100K for chair. But we want more support, because a 100K chair, I'm not just say we won't put up inside house. Materials are expensive now. You understand me? So all those audio donations, we will not be mentioning it again. Even if anybody come here to say I donate 200,000 in the comment section, we'll just disregard it. When we get it, we'll come and say thank you, Unstoppable Tina, for the 200K. You know, that kind of thing. It's better than us mentioning it. You know, my brother from Atlanta, Georgia, he said I shouldn't mention your name. Thanks for the support you gave to us to continue working in the past house that we're going to 9 Upper Hour. We are not far from there already. We are there. You know. And then Mr. Adams, the same way there. Thank you so much. He said you gave us 10K additional to add to whatever we're doing in the Retails compound. Thank you. That's why we're able to floor the place today now. You know, you still gave us 10K to add to this past project. Two workmen are working there. One service now. And the carpenters, 2 carpenters are working there right now, fixing ceilings. In fact, I went to buy wood from the sawmill this morning to do the noggin first before they'll put the ceiling. So we're going there for inspection now. You understand? Mrs. Benedicta, thank you, man. God bless you for the way you sent us 10K to buy clothes for the past grandchildren. We bought them. So, you know, you gave us additional money, 20K, to support my favors, whatever. God bless you. You know, you also gave us 20K to support that family. That woman want to do business, so we'll put all together and set them up shortly. Thank you, Mrs. Benedicta. You know, Madam Gold, thank you for the 20K you dashed me today. Thank you. You say, Collins, I dash you this one. Thank you, man. Kada one of Madrid. Thank you. You dashed me money this morning. Thank you. Thank you. Understand? If you dash me money, I can't thank you. If you don't dash me, I don't thank you. But I still thank you, because I thank you now. You're sweet. You say, these are the tanker that me still do now. So God bless you. You know. Then Miss Benedicta, you also said we should give that a part 2 months treatment for his prostate issues. Thank you. We'll get there just now. What else? A lot have been happening anyways, but there are some people that say don't mention my name. My brother in Atlanta, Georgia, he said don't mention my name, please. They will mention what I did. So God bless her.
Where you work with her?
You know.
So the chop
we're getting from different people. Osasuna Osaige in UK, thank you for your support. You know. Okay, see, I shouldn't mention your name. Okay, I must mention this. Mrs. Jennifer Ubogbo. Sometime in March, when we started working in Retails house, we had not bought windows, we have not plastered the parlor, we have not done anything. We were showing around to the people that, oh, this man will need this. It's not bad if we put tiles on the floor, you know. It's not bad if we put a door in the meeting room. We need to flood this backyard. We need to put windows. We need to sweat sock away. We were listing all the things as at that time in March. You understand? This is Madam Gold, I see you. God bless you, man. Thank you for the money. I appreciate it. It's not for beer. I know drink beer, not for food. Thank you, man. You know, so the Mrs. Jennifer Ogbogo, you sent us, I don't know how much you sent that time, maybe 30K, maybe 20K, I don't know. You said maybe 50K, I can't even remember, because it was that time. You said you called me yesterday that you sent it for the tiles of Retails bedroom, room that time. And as at that time, we don't have a clean floor, we don't have window, we don't have water system, we don't have sock away. You understand? So when people are supporting us, we put the money together and think of what is necessary at that time. We cannot go and buy a curtain for a parlor that we have not plastered. So if you send us money for cutting when we have not plastered the parlor, sorry man, we might end up plastering the parlor first. When we get to the cutting, God will still use who he will use. Please get us very clear. Please, if you send us money, just try and understand that the foundation is a very responsible one that knows what to do. You understand? It's not something some other persons will just say, I give you this 10,000, I beg, buy rice 3,000, buy egg 2,500. It doesn't follow. You are committing your resources to a responsible organization. You will see what they are doing daily. Do you understand it? So that's how we work. We get people very cleared. If I want money, now Collins Imudia wants money. Out of my 10 million supporters, I know I have about 500,000 people that will say, what's up? I need this one. They will say, Collins, get it. I know. So I don't need to sweep somebody's 20,000 under the carpet. It do me no good. It's even giving me a very bad name. Do you understand? Please. It's giving me a very, very bad name. And get to understand that I'm a human being just like you. I am just Collins Imudia, one man. I cannot think like an Italian person, a Japanese person, a China person, the same time. There are times I will skip something. It will be fair if you just come and say, how far, my brother? Yeah, you don't forget this one. For good, you do this one. Remember, say I send you that. Say, you know, true. Okay, I be don't use them for this one. It's okay, no wala. Just like Mrs. Jennifer Ogogo did. You understand? So I cannot think like every other person. If I need money, I repeat, I don't need to come to live video. Say maybe I want personal help, Collins Imudia, say I want to buy food in my car, I want to eat, I want to do anything. Off camera, just know few people on my WhatsApp, on my Collins Imudia Foundation group. I will just say, Mama, you know, believe your boy broke. She'll say, Collins, no, I take 100K. I know them. I can call some of my guys, bro. Like the other, I don't need to mention them anyway. You understand? I'll just say, bro, what's up now? Your guy a bill. You say, yeah, Collins, no, I know. For you to complain like this guy a bill, why are you 150K? It happens. So it's a shame on my part that I will carry 20,000 naira of somebody that was meant to come and do something in a past house, and I say, I want to eat it. On what ground? Don't I look responsible to everybody? I can't do that. And if you send me 20K, say go and give Mama favor. I cannot go and give Mama favor 20,000 naira now. I cannot go and give Mama favor 5,000 now. No. I will put that 20,000, the 5,000, add it to the 80,000, to the 100,000, and then set up a good business of Mama favor. That's how I work. You understand? So, but if somebody comes to say, you should go and give Mama favor 20, if you give her 20, give her 5, give her 15, trust me, they will not later come and say, we want to set up a business for her. It's like we're wasting our time and resources. People abroad who are supporting this process, they are not plucking money. You understand? So it's only fair that we commit their resources into valuable use to the people. If somebody can say, Collins, I am sending this for this person, he knows Collins know what to do for that person. Do you understand? It is in most cases where we don't have a project. Good afternoon, Destiny, sir. It's in most cases where we don't have a project. For instance, you see that man who has probate issue. He is not a project. So if somebody say, Collins, take 20,000, go and give to that man, you always see us go there to say, take, I will leave him. But when we are saying we want to renovate his house, you are not sending me 5,000 and say, go and give him. Which money are we going to use to buy cement for him? Which money are we going to use to buy, pay the workers that we work? It is what you bring, that one bring, that we put together to do a specific job. At the end, we leave the people happy. That's the essence of a foundation. Putting smiles on the face of the people. Do you understand me? I just took out time to come out today to say, let's clear this air once and for all. You understand? So it's a very understandable issue. It's not as safe if you say, like that man, I want to give him. You see that woman is a business for her. Mama, we've gotten so and so amount for you now. And what do we need to do now? You understand? So that's how we do it. Kada one of Madrid, God bless you. Thank you, bro. You dashed me money yesterday, this morning. Thank you. You and Madam Gold. That's Christy Balogun. Thank you for the love. Thank you, I appreciate. That's not one do weekend for me. I appreciate. You get so. Let's move ahead without much delay. You get Golden Unstoppable. I appreciate you, man. We still there together. My sister Osasomori Queen. Thank you, I appreciate. I appreciate. Because if we actually take somebody's 10,000, go and give this one a 5,000. Do you know? Let me get you clear. Are you aware that Eritio that Collins Imudia is building his house now and arranging since that time have been getting stipend from people? Do you know? But because they are giving him individually, if everybody now take this 20k, as you joke, almost say you're donary. You know they think of indoor. Somebody will say take 100,000. You go say you're donary. You know they think of toilets. But when we started getting support from all of you, we decided to put window, do toilet. Today is happy in living in a tired parlor. So it's not about giving them stipend, it's about creating the environment for them to thrive well and be celebrated thereafter. That's the essence. So if you want to help somebody, please let's know that we are not only going to teach them or be giving them fish, we will teach them how to fish. This is common sense. I just talk my mind. I might have offended so many people today. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to offend you. But I'm trying to say it's best to establish people than to be committing stipend to them. We will do them no good. Bros, as I talk to you, if I stop now, give one drum card where I see for road, say, hey, take this 10,000. I don't never drive reach front, you go quick order for Chelsea. I've not done that man any good. But if I take that man now, I go buy singlet, buy boxers, buy Indomie, you know, I can't give him for a house. I have blessed that man. Do you get? So that's the philosophy. It's a very clear logic. It's not a drama. Lisa, good afternoon. I'm seeing all your messages. So I can welcome my message, love. Thank you. Harmony, you are. God bless you, Jagoya. So okay, God bless you, man. You get? So, Lady Nosa, God bless you, man. I'm very loyal. You know, so please worry not much about the people who write nonsense messages and comments. Please, my people, I don't want us to be ranking on our comment section. Collins Imudia is a very brilliant person. You see, don't worry about that person. The Egyptians you see today, you will see them no more. For every negative comment that does not make sense on my comment list, I block you. So don't worry yourself. I won't allow you to generate trouble or rancor among my list. So the Egyptians you see today now in our comment section, trust me, you will see them no more. We are a very responsible organization that does not deal on only transparency but decency in commenting. If you are commenting on our wall, please be decent. If we notice you are not decent, because if oil stain one finger, it will rub the rest. Instead of you as a bad egg to come and disturb our good people, we'll suffer remove you from there and then deal our normal business. Because a lot of people out here are not happy that we are this transparent. A lot of people out there, we are spoiling business for people now. Are you aware? Collins Imudia Foundation is spoiling business for people everywhere around Benin. My colleague is supposed to not do like this. Why you do like this? That's why they make them. Now so me go take make them. Don't worry yourself. You see what I'm saying? Make them. Now like this, Collins Imudia want to make them. Transparency. Let me see for once. Let's try it. If good thing no they pay, transparency will pay you. You don't need to take people's resources and tell them, and later we're going to go. No, let them see it. They will be so pleased that somebody will say, how much did I send to support our work? It's 20,000. Go say, I'm dashing you 100,000. That's how you work. You You understand? So if we are spelling business for you are watching us from any part of the world, I'm sorry. This is what God wants for you, and that's how we work. It's time impunity, irregularities get to stop. Let's all be decent. Let's use the resources of the common man for the common purpose. The blessings that comes with it does not come on live video. Get it clear. The blessings that come with it does not come on live video. You see this kind of exhortation that we're having on chat now. It's very common. They don't. People get to know, but they don't speak it out because they think it won't make it. Christiana Brooklyn, I cite all of you. The truth talk, God bless all of you. Madam Goda, they see you. Sakwira, I'm seeing you. Lady Nosa, I'm seeing you. My greatest mama. This is your name. I say, okay, I'm not forget. Joan Bodilon, I cite you, man. God bless you. You understand? Sayada, I cite you. It's all like that. So please get to understand us. And if you send us anything, believe us. Don't worry yourself. With the work, they go. And one information I need to pass to members of the public, please. If you are watching me from Facebook, from YouTube now, get to know Collins Imudia Foundation is not a foundation that goes to look for people at home to help. We'll say somebody called me, hello? I get one person for a Kenwan road, allow me to come visit them. No, we don't do that. God Almighty in His wisdom directs us to people He wants to place, and that's how we keep blessing them. Nobody invites me to say come and see this case. Do you know why? Because if I come out now and say in Edo State, who wants help? Do you know that even the governor of Edo State will say he wants help? Because incest still need. That's why the economic people say human wants are insatiable. You cannot satisfy any human being. So even me, I need help. Maybe if you let them say by time, say Collins, I just send you this Toyota Camry. And maybe you see don't have to jump come on this car happy. Yes. Not because I don't feel afford them, but because they're plus. So that's how it works. I think that should not take the whole of our time. Mama, if you're one of Paris, welcome, man. Osas Biggie, you don't get notification, hey, sorry, no vex. I better go like our foundation page. Just go to Facebook and type Collins Imudia Foundation. Then like our page. You'll be getting notifications that we're live. I'm sorry about that. You know, so but that's just, but if you keep educating ourselves daily so that a carry along measure will be something we should be doing. And then people get to understand and say, oh, okay. That's what they be. That's so it's most people they will never support foundation before. They just believe they just say they are going to say, ladies and gentlemen, Lady Nosa just gave us 200,000 to go and give to Mama Favor. We are trekking to her house now to give her. No, don't be so. Don't be so. You know, instead of to go give her that money, we will not say go squander. We can just call her. Mama Favor, come, what business you like to do? She'll say this, that. So we come, let's go to the market. We'll establish her. She will take the materials from us, start establishing herself. In 2 years' time, we know supply when somebody come Facebook. Bro, do you know me again? I'll say no. I'm the one that owns this boutique where the sell clothes. And I'll say, wow, you were the person who came to give me 100,000 that time. You are calling Imudia Foundation. I'll say, is it you? Or you were able to establish yourself? Glory to God. Now so it be. No job fakes. Because if we give that woman 200,000 that time, maybe the man will come the day with her boyfriend or girlfriend. If your concern, maybe I never pay her 50K double. And maybe I need to do this one 30K double. That money don't waste. Whoever suffer for abroad to bring that money, go they feel bad. We will not make that kind of mistake as a foundation. So please, if you cannot trust us with your resources, it's understood. But please, if you can, God bless you. Large Pulatin, welcome, sir. So, but let's not go far again. We're here already. We're here. I think we've spoken to our next step. Please, Princess Josephine, your birthday is coming on the 10th of this incoming month. God bless you. You planned it big, and then you sent us money to get some stuff. We will. So we'll go and do your giveaway on the 10th. You know, and then my brother from another mother, Mr. Ega in Spain, you sent us money today about I think 146,800 or so. You said we should go and share food in your area and Kulex. We'll go. God bless you. Today was supposed to be the day, but I've not gotten your credit. That's why. If not, for your go, they do the distribution since as they work here. But ladies and gentlemen, it's a good afternoon from my crew. We're all here. You know, Sandy Chuchu saying good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And then I've got Liu Musa behind.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, and then you got Tozigidon, one of Benin Kingdom, my good son.
You don't know your son. Good afternoon.
Leave me and it's a funny crew. It's a funny crew. You know, that man there is my son.
You don't know your son.
You know, so that's how we play here. You know, a group that doesn't play well won't move well. You get so. But Jonathan, everything is going well, no problem. God bless you, Sakwe Round. They'll buy you one of Europe. Thank you. Don't go there, that's you. So let's go down. I think we're here. Is there another thing will bring you into the know? If you mistake and forget anything, sorry, we don't forget to mention your name. We have mentioned names. You can watch the video from the beginning. We didn't forget to mention your name because some people they call me, you know my title. So I love all your titles and I'm enjoying your titles. You know, so that's why I keep mentioning them. Mama F1 of Paris. God bless you, man. Alamos are one of which country? Madrid. God bless you. The world biggest. God bless you. If I forget your title, please write it out. Man, they use on the same. Okay, Madam Good, no be title. No. Madam Good, do me come give me your title, man. The journal. Because you know my squad. Kada 1 of Madrid. Tuale. There's one of those. Are you the fine title? You want to give me to? Okay, find the title now. Find the title. So give me your titles and I'll come here and mention it. So if I forget to mention your name, don't be angry. You know, I cannot leave but mention that God bless the Osaratin family as led by General Elvis Osaratin. God bless you. Hope Osaratin, God bless you. Matthew Osaratin, all Osaratins, God bless you. As God will be blessing Robosa, Osarabo Obaso, blessing the Osarabo family, the Nusa and her family. You know, Joan Bodilo, all the learners, no small. You know, so but we're here at Upper One now. And plastering. I told you yesterday we're going to plaster. We're plastering. I told you yesterday that we're going to plaster. So we started plastering from here to this side. And then work is still ongoing. See men at work. So men is still working. We're still working here. So we're able to do this. You see the plastering here. All those up we will maintain, don't worry. When we come back here, again you won't see it. It will be properly plastered, just like this. Now well done. Yeah, so you see the whole pillars have been plastered, the whole wall, everywhere there will be. Meanwhile, I talked about ceiling yesterday, you can see. So this is what we use your resources for. For all y'all all saying, we think they need our money to do Siam. God bless you all. This is what we're doing. Working. So we've got 2 workmen on ground. We're not tied to do too much, no wahala. So when we came here, there was no plastering, but we plastered it, and then you see, if I get my job, if I is just watching, if I is watching the work ongoing, if I used to be a carpenter those days, the way carpenter we got here there, sir. Where you going? So where I coaching you? Don't make a mistake. When senior man will give me now. You know, so that's the process. We're still here. And I think this will cover that. Work is ongoing. So by the time it's sunny, the park can lie down here comfortably. Understand? Then we'll put the curtains we got here. I think the next phase should be painting of these whole places. But let's get to plaster around first. God bless all of you supporting us for this work. God bless you all. Well done, my brother. Yeah. I greet you. Let me greet you pass. I don't know. I don't know why you do like that. I'm still doing this with this. You know, so men are working.
Now they will buy for me.
Thank you, Christiana Brooklyn. Now me they call we can see Abi. I don't be Obaseki. That's what we do. We just come and bring you into the know. You will be so pleased with what your resources is doing for people. You know how many houses all of another they help to do? And we're still working. God bless you all. You know, So I think they'll be coming. Hopefully by tomorrow we are going to do this place, and then this place will be plastered here. Now, ladies and gentlemen, guess who we have behind me? Our beautiful baby, looking this cute. He is looking this beautiful. Wow. You see transformation. This is transformation. He is thanking all of you. So he is looking beautiful, you know. So tomorrow we'll come and do this plastering, hopefully. I'll just tell them to be doing it. I'm not working tomorrow. Tomorrow seems to be our resting day, but I will not rest because of this one. I will tell them to plaster it, and then I will come back on Monday to inspect. That's what I think I should do. Okay, thank you, Christiana Brooklyn. I'll pin my account number now. But I need you all to know, see how beautiful he is looking. Courtesy all of you. Courtesy all of you. So, you see those chairs that we saw here, I think they've taken it away. You know, so those chairs will not return back. Okay, we're not getting here. Okay, I'll show you. I'll show you where EA burnt all the refuse. Or walk. So if you're willing to support what we're doing, please please our account number is pinned. Our account number is pinned, so all these chairs will not go back there no more. You get, and then all these ones, we're not taking them again. By God's grace, we've got 100K. We need more to buy chairs for them. You know, this was where she burnt all the refuse. You see, she had to wait for me to say burnt them. So that's a good one. We're going to make sure we plaster all here. Perhaps they'll be doing it tomorrow, and then I'll come on Monday to inspect it properly. You get, so if you want to support what we're doing, please do. Our account number is there pinned. The support to Collins Imudia Foundation for this process. Support to a transformation for the family. You get, so we're putting ceiling here. When we came, it was just a zinc like this. You know, and I thank God for all of you for the follow-up. Please share our videos. There are kind-hearted Nigerians, even non-Nigerians, who are willing to see this kind of good work, and they will commit to it so that we can help our people. So please share. Please share. You know, so we're working here. You know, so like I said, that's what we do. We're just used to action. We're not in for discussion. We'll talk about. We just you know. So as for EA's daughter, a lot of people, I think some people sent me money. EA daughter. Let me check that out. What do we have? Okay. So Mrs. Jennifer Ogbobo, thank you for the support you gave to us for Eritio's project, ongoing project. God bless you. God bless you, Soken. God bless you for sharing to your WhatsApp contacts. God bless you. God bless you. Kada, let me greet your sister. Thank her for me. She sent us 10K yesterday to support Collins Imudia Foundation. Anything we want to do. God bless her. Osas Priscilla. That's her name. Osas Priscilla. God bless her. Who's there? Kada, one of my dreams. I love to thank you just now. I can't stop thanking you and Madam Good for the moon that dashed me yesterday. Thank you. I'm a very grateful person. Okay. Let me see. Say this card is hot because I'm sorry, I'm trying to check my diary and see what we've gotten for this lady. Rolly Rosa Foundation. Thank you. You sent us thank you for our last time. Okay, plus this is 30. 10 plus 20, that's 30. 30K. Okay. She can start with that, yeah. She can start with that. Let's see. I'm sorry for taking your time. I'm trying to go through what we have, and then so we don't get to be out of place. We've got 30K for her. For his granddaughter. And 10, that's 20, that's 30, yeah. Mrs. Margaret Boygbe, God bless you. God support for Collins Imudia Foundation to continue what we're doing. God bless you. Mrs. Margaret Boygbe, we've got your link from Mama Collins in Manchester. Thank you. Mama Collins, thank you for linking us to people. That's one thing I like. You will be doing, you'll be linking us to other people. So go and support this foundation. Our own be this. This foundation are all of our own, not the one person. You know, see the way Lady Sarabo, them general FBs, they link people. Them Sarabo or Basso, where they link. And they'll just be saying, Alpha, come and do this. Favor Morogbe, say you want my number. My crew should give it to you. Favor Morogbe, they'll give you my number. You've got 30K for that lady. I think I should give her. Let me see. I think that's all 30. From where we wrote down, only saying 30K. Mrs. Bendita only sent us thank you to buy things for a pair granddaughters, not for the other daughters. So we bought the clothes here, so we bought the clothes. We give them just now. I think that's it, 30K. So I don't think I have up to 30K with me, but I think I should do POS so I can give her. You know, yesterday we talked about it here. Who said, should we give her the money or give to the parents? And a lot of people said, give her when she comes. Sarabo Basso, good afternoon, bro. I'm fine. Sorry, I know if we call you back yesterday, bros. You pity me if you get some kind of code. No worry. Yeah. Mama FA1 of Paris. See the way they give us 100 plus 100, not before plus 4. I love the noise laugh, kill me. Now 100 by 100 you give us. Thank you, man. Bridget Anthony, yes, we eat before we come out. Yeah, I suppose, but might check myself if I get money. Should I withdraw that time? Or this buy. Nobody will go buy clothes, buy other things. Maybe I don't use some money. But let's see what we have left. Let me do this video. I hope so reach. Not rich. I'm 19k day and I'll pay workers, so you're not rich. I need to use POS. Where POS is for you? That bad there. Okay, why they are doing this one? Why don't I get the money on them? Where my car key? I dey come, just try and come. I want to use POS for front. I dey come now. Hey, I'm sorry. I want to use POS. We'll come back. They're still working. We'll come back. We'll go to Bata. We'll go to other places. So just be patient. Well, meanwhile, some other persons called me and said, Collins, now only Benin music they play. Not all of us will support you, baby. But let's do the needful. We came to withdraw. Let's withdraw. And we'll still play the song. Tired. When they go to my favorite place, now we want to play trial. So that all our guys will dance, you know. So just go, if you have not put up your dancing shoe before, go and put it up. For those of you that they said don't go to church because of social distancing, please go and carry your Bible, because I'm taking you to Zion. Not be Zion, Christians they gather. To Zion. So please share our video. I need money. Please share our videos and let other people see what we're doing. You get it. God bless you all. You know the way I love you. Now because of now they happily come out too. If I don't sit down, some people call me, bro, Collins how far now? You have not come out since. What happened? Oh, you don't want to come out? 30,000. Oh, you don't want to come out? I'm sorry, I'll come out. We do things together. We leave home very early. Come back late. You still don't I collect money from you here before. And why are you not making it 400 for 30,000? It's 300. I get to collect from the junction there. You don't know this money I'm collecting are people's money. Take is my money. People get the money. You don't see them. Get the food, people get them. She say that my money, you don't know say that my money. Usas Ato, you don't come. Okay. I don't miss you since I never see my assistant PRO. You know, so now I go around about you 109 PRO. No nobody follow and drag that position, I beg. But we get many assistant PRO. You know, all the unstoppable team and the triple P. Sorry. All the about Jonathan, the General. No, General is not the PRO. They're not Pedro. Don't go there. Joan Wiz. Hey, this time. Now me and you shall no worry. Count it, please. Joan Wiz is looking for my trouble. Who know Joan Wiz? Go and tell her that she's looking for Collins Imudia's trouble. Come and settle with me inside house. Leave me on you. Not be that kind of house. Off camera. How are you today, man? Hope you're fine. Joan Wiz. Happy weekend. I think we are done. Let's go. I've not given you the 300. I said you should take the charge.
See what you
I don't know if I don't have money now. About Jonathan, your in-law. I beg, call him. Tell him. Since John Wiz, your in-law, just call him, you tell him. Amen to your prayers. Mama, if you're one of Paris, I see your prayers. I see all your prayers, all of you. Too many comments to mention. Too many. So I'll be reading them little by little. No, sir, pumpkin. Pumpkin leaf. Okay, pumping. Sorry. No, sir, pumping. One of which country now? Always they put your title. So this week now, week of titles. Title week. Everybody get a title. Give yourself title, bring and come. Just write me for WhatsApp. So let's continue our dancing thing. We will play later. I'm gonna calm down. Hold on. We will play later. Oh, should we have a little discussion inside here? Yes, I think. We'll do one small gossip. The year's daughter is around. She's around. I want to call her now and present that money to her. But I got other callers within the week who said, Collins, if you want to give that woman the money, please make her understand that you're setting her up so that she can be able to take care of her parents. This was what we told EA initially that caused the first rancor. So I was thinking, but it's not too bad to say because picking you don't understand. If you train your child will train you back. So if it be say she do business, do we even need to tell her to take care of her parents? I think she should be able to do that herself, right? What do you think? That's what I think anyways. That's what I think. I think we should just go give her and let her do the business. But we'll tell her that we'll come back to ensure by Monday she would have bought stuff and be selling here. So that when we see it, people will be happy. But I think I should just give her the money and let her do the thing. If I go and tell her now we're giving you this so that you'll be taking care of your parents, it will look as if I'm telling her we're just telling you to be selling and giving them money. Common sense, we know that if she's selling, she'll take care of herself. And if her parents are in need, she should be able to foot it to the best of her ability. What do you think? Right? To the best of her ability, she'll be able to take care of her parents. Because I don't want to be you know, for the purpose of those who don't hear Benin, if you give birth to a child, the child will give birth to you back. It's an idiom. You understand? So no need to go and tell her, we're giving you this money so that you take care of your parents. So it will get to a point you do the business and think, am I suffering for this because of these people? Do you understand? And which is also a necessity. We all are suffering now because we want to take care of our own parents too. Because when we were young, they were suffering to take care of us. Do you understand? But everybody does not have common sense. So we'll just throw it to her like an advice and not a mandatory thing. Do you get? I think that's what I should do. Just seeking your opinion, trying to see comment sections if I will see counter reactions anyways. Okay, no problem. From all I'm seeing, everybody's saying just do that. I think it's cool. Prince Wisdom, you are saying we should go and see Afro Mbairu. I love to go and see Afro Mbairu. But I need you to know that God directs us to people. We don't go and look for people. Do you understand? And that's why. So if you, Prince Wisdom, send me 100K, say, go and give it to Afro Mbairu. Give me 50K, say, go and send it to Afro Mbairu. By the time we give him, some other person will see it and say, is this Afro Mbairu? I will support him. But to say Collins Imudia will kick his car, drive to Upper to go and look for Afro Mbairu. No, we don't do that way. Thank you. You understand? So that's it. Let me give them the necessary thing. Wisdom Olo, you have answered you already. Who are who? So just so you see, like I said, for the purpose of those just coming in, we've been plastering. We've been plastering here. The past house. You see? We started plastering here. Work is still ongoing, as you can see. So all those places you see, they'll cover it all, just like it's doing now. I feel pass. By the time you come, and then this is the parlor. You put ceiling. No. You put the ceiling. So that's it. Being closed. Close. You know, you wouldn't believe we went to buy this beautiful tile. We went to the sawmill this morning, very early, 7 o'clock. I had gone out to get carpenters, and then we went to the sawmill. We bought wood, you know, and then they are plastering. The is just watching the process, as you can see from there, watching them do the normal thing. When we came here, it was like an uncompleted building. It's been plastered. Those chairs will never return back here, by God's grace. Though they burnt them, to not return here. So windows now have been placed properly, as you can see. So the new bed we bought for a bar will come in here, as you can see inside there. This new bed will come in only. And then the curtains we bought will come in. This place will not be So mama, la tota you buy here. Yes. You know, so I just wanted to show you, so you know how far we've gone. God bless all of you who are supporting us. God bless you all for the support. You know, it makes sense. It makes sense. And then I think Epa is here, seated and watching. Domo. I think we got close. Come, Sandra. Hey. The clothes you bought for those children, where are they? Let's give them the clothes. Let them change from that dirty things they are wearing. Epa, Laweni, help me here. I'll speak to you on that. Behold our beautiful baby. Come, see, we buy you clothes, but see the tatak things you keep wearing. Why do you keep wearing tatak things when we buy you clothes? How can we be buying you clothes every day you don't wear? Go and take your belt and come and wear another one. Yeah, what comfort in here? In your home? Or in your home? Why flogging your man? It cannot be this dirty. How can we go and buy clothes and take our time to buy clothes and you'll be wearing dirty rags? Wow. Wow, kake no we. Don't ma who dasan, ben wari wali ke wa fiasan. Oh, give ni agbiyemba. Or your way to look somehow. Well, say your man. Be kind of get up already. Just you're supporting him. Worry me agbo yen gwan ban. Ma onu amu face, ma here baby ni. Ko bonu just one wedding ring. Okay. Wedding ring, you know. Where you for. Where you for. Where walking a cheek. Ko bonu ya cheek in this series there. Egbu where ya ila dey. So he is looking this young and sweet 16. You know, this was a year who used to tie rapper outside, you know, sit down. But now see he is wearing the markers. So let's keep them well dressed and it will make sense. Let's say welcome man. So yeah, when me a good one. I want me. We are not me when they can want me when Una yasa me obono ke. Now wow. Then the ball not expensive. Female in my man. But ball I don't buy it well but expensive. Oh why the problem? You know. Please let's share this video. There are good people out there who are looking for charity to work on. Don't be out of place if one person just see it from your list and say, Kai, please let me do both for them. No matter how much it costs, it can happen. We're not saying you should do it. We're saying share the video. If a very nice person will just be somewhere in the country and say, okay, no, let me be responsible for it to make sense. Thank you. It's an appeal. You get. So, but let's take it now to EA's daughter. This is EA's daughter. No, Nigerian call. Just a minute. Hello. Yes. Good afternoon. Hey, my love. How far now? I do. I go. I dey here now. They live so. Now tomorrow be resting day. I dey live now. No wahala. I hear. I greet you. You do well. Thank you. Yeah, later we'll talk, yeah? Alright. Yeah, Larry. Yeah, alright. Yeah, ciao. Special greetings to my sister. Thanks for calling. Just checked up on me, Vivian. Let them see. God bless you. And you call me now. You are watching me, oh. But you say you must call me. You want to know how I'm doing. God bless you, man. You are my squad. I want to go there. And everybody just rest. So, Mudia Mama, yeah. Just run day, man. Even the man sugar tamame. Oze na wa bunu Mudia. Wobie Mama na. Obueno. Obueno we yegbu webie. No. So for those who asked me and said no be ye bonam, I think you have heard na ye daughter. Wobie Mama na. Okay, we are not the no. Wobie any do. Yeah. Okay. But iye or be we. Simple. When okay, Mama a transformation. Also you na a cheek. No we na ye. You understand? So when you ma we so are legacy na no we na ban. We are making youngi. You understand? So when you cheek, you have a divert from here na we la we be. So I don't when I know we the business no how. Una we here. So la focus man. So your team akpana send 10,000. So no can send 20,000 by. Now we na di 30,000 when. Nu ya de here nu soon. So when you are here now, before the end of today, I will tell Salobua. A man again now, can I have YouTube as can say please that woman la yari by New York continue business here. So 30,000 in here, give me. Marian. So yeah. No wala. No wala. So the 30,000 we are soon ya do here for you. What there? No wala we got done. Huh? Udo share man wa share there. O hu hamu are kia. De ken we ana kia. De ken wana kia jodion we. E kyo sa wana kia e go da over. E kyo sa. E go da ya mu ya ri. O ba ba fun. Godo. Ogwe na kia. Maoni madoge wa ni wa kia. Huh? So manase keni ye now. We can decide to carry ye moto. My way do your mama kini sister na hear me. So that ni send the area to gele dueki. They taking ari by. Na wadi no ma wadi hepu. Where you gonna ya de be bonvita gume. You get kina hima. Oh yeah. Mama. We're focusing. Losing an abo. Exactly. So la any advice you man, you want to take care. Ma mu ye va kwe o ya kwe. Na do time we every Monday. Every Monday we are doing so. Akwa Sunday. Every Monday we are doing. Why the Tuesday ma sekino na himi. Etio Salobua wa mi profit wa ni kirikiri. Me we di wa. Una we si zekire mo bo adi wa. Plus no. So but ki we no. Eti ma we nu ya ado ki ari ba ni ma. But anami egu do biro una be you we dizem adio wa agwa because any baba we any year any we because I got biomo exactly. So we say man in you na amen what me so now why so ba why is so now why you crying? What about me and that's all. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I think for every good we do for this lady, it gets to remind her of her loss. She lost her son, and then she's seen it like the responsibility of her son is now what other people are doing for her. So to her son has brought helpers for her. God works in mysterious ways, so we don't want to know how it works. We just want to keep putting smiles on their faces. You understand? So on the same man, we had the time we say we had the other time and we now so we done now joy and tears of joy. So let's just leave her. Let's leave her. So there are tears of joy. So Emmanuel when you So, when Manaka Savannah, where tell me and I wear room, now where you cheek, who were his son, who were his son, who were his son. Please hold on and do interview for him. Just a minute.
Why you have a quarter? I will let it. Let it now. Let them.
This clothes never for you.
You got good chair. Yeah, when you man, no cool not walk for the baby in there. No more on your Iji I think when I do. Mane, Iji I know Juana. It's your man quick.
My baby. Where baby man? This is my baby, ladies and gentlemen. She's not my queen, you know. Since when the year can start today, wear her marriage ring. On your show where if I do well, you know, nobody should go there. You understand? And so why son you go to work cheap. Yes. Just a little before you know, support can just come for this year. Say please, this woman, I don't like it. When we came here was just like this. But today, see the beautiful baby. You know?
How did you go begging?
Yes.
Why beg or go, man?
When you man, you know what? Man, you know what? Man, nearly the day, I know. My wife, I bought then, man, you money. Understand? So that's why I'm very playful here. I'm calling her my little baby. She's my baby. My baby girl. I don't be 1 month. Oh, I'm not work with power. So, hey, I feel any power. Boy,
yeah. Only
yeah, but
serious? Are they hearing her?
I'm not going to do it.
I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to plaster over. Oh, we I tell we I plaster away.
only
The water. So God bless all of you for making this family soaked in so much joy. It gives me joy. You understand? There's something they call only do code. You enter me to see that people are this happier just because you and I decide to put hands together to do the needful. If we had come here to give this year 20,000, we leave. Do you think they will plaster their house? Even if we give them 100K, they will not plaster. So instead of giving them all those things, let's make them happy that they have told a passe that the fullness of joy in him is okay. He doesn't need to eat food. You can see a person sitting out there. He's watching them. Like, are you serious? That means very soon, I think so. We won't buy my ceiling fan. I can't stand fan. My ceiling fan, you are. So that I make it oh wow, if I can be under, he will relax. It won't be out of place because the Media Foundation can do that on its own anyway. So, but for EA, already investing in my 50,000 in Ogaga, like 100,000 now. So my gualo buy, my make a day a chair. My only palon here, it can power to get television. I chose a buy my television. By God's grace, we will buy a TV set. And we'll buy a DVD. Do you know why I'm speaking like this? It's because I have confidence on my supporters. I have confidence in you. Because I'm talking now. After this live video, somebody will call me, Collins, I'll go and check how much for television. I want to buy television for that person. Collins, please, how much for DVD? Please let me buy DVD for them. That's what we'll take doing in such a way that when we come visit, if I will sit down in the parlor and be watching home video, what he thought would not have happened will now be what has happened. God bless all of you. I keep you all in my prayers daily. Daily. I keep you all in my prayers. You can see behind me, before me, are the little children. We bought clothes for them, but it's just that they barely wear. But thank God to be wearing one after the other now. You know, the mafia de Bani Bunike. Okay, they are all here, you see.
Yeah.
So we've got them in draft, in other ones. So, so even markers and all. Even markers and all. So you know, we have you near no, when you have just something.
What on Amoria? First of all, more we off way. Then I go. I want to go. What on what I see? I hope money. Yes,
my person they talk. These children are too small to think for themselves. Why is he young? I don't make it before afternoon 12. We don't make Monuda your governor. Oh yeah, photo. Who what's here now to argue? Who want your son?
No, thank God say they get teacher.
Teacher,
Thank God. The teacher did.
From on Monday. They are paid the teacher for want to pay him for this month. Next month I pay. Mama only Madua he pay many months. After 1 month, I paid the floor. All that day every day 3 to 6. House home lesson. Man, not the teacher one. My time I know they are Sunday. No man say or flog it. I think a word is enough for the wise. Amen. No. And so God bless you all. God bless you all. You understand? Hey, get up, don't kneel down. Get up, don't kneel down. You understand? So that's the process, ladies and gentlemen. I think we won't spend the whole day because we're going to Bata. So I think I'll just pay the workers and then exit. You get so a word from a pa who's been sitting down and watching. I wouldn't do it. We now was on you. Was so we. Yeah, plaster. Now we see. God bless you all. Pa is grateful. The power will see. So I think that's the process. As you can see, ceilings and the roofing have been done here. You understand? So I'll just settle the carpenters and then settle the workmen. Hey, come on. Hey, workman. See what? Listen to me. Hey, bro. Hey, bro, leave. Bro, don't worry. Thank you. We understand. Tomorrow work. Mafia work? Yes. It's simple. So the work I want to do tomorrow. Now continuous from here. Yeah? More doing like this. More doing around the house. So tomorrow we'll start from here. I don't need to show. Here, this pillar. Okay, the finished pillar set today. And now from here, all year you'll finish on yours now. From here, go.
Why?
Eh, no, one side. Now one side now. We're not gonna back here. I can remain.
Why not possible? I don't understand.
Now only one person there here they go. One person there the other side.
Then the back side, the 2 persons come finish the back side.
One person. Oh, you bring two. Oh, my water in case you money.
These guys hard. These are the guys hard.
Hello.
Wow.
Yes. Good afternoon.
Early morning come.
Good afternoon.
You do your work. You miss your work. They miss for you.
Yes, sir. Oh, God bless you, sir. As you give it to us, we will give her now. Boys, on our live video now, we pinned the account there. Can you see it? Okay, please, sir, see what you do for me. Just right now. Say, Collins, drop me your account number now, and I'll just send it to you then. because your number here is showing Nigerian number, so we don't even have a number. So please just write it there. Say please on the live video now. Just write Colin, send me your account number. We'll do it. Okay, I'm hearing myself too. God bless you. We'll see you here, please. Let's quickly do this and let's get it sorted. No inbox. Please write it on the comment section now on the live video. Yes, live video now. Just write it as a comment now. Thank you. You know, that's a good caller who just said he wants to support the lady with additional 20,000. But like I said, I will not be mentioned except to get it. If we are gotten it now, just quickly give it to her and say, so person we should give you. So while we are doing other things, it will come in. And then by the time we come here on Monday, we will see her and give her. But, you know, so she can actually just add it to our business to buy more. You understand? So God bless you, bro. God bless you. Please write to us here that we should send your account number and then we'll send it to you. God bless you. So workman, that's how it go be, eh? One person stay here, one person stay there, yes. So that by Monday we'll know back here one face. Okay?
For example, that place. Bro, see. For today, now. Not be today. I come. For today, when you talk to that, I say that place has 2 people walk.
Say, okay, because of the dressing. Now make me agree.
Okay, say they go add something to join up. So that place.
That dressing is hard. Now if not be the dressing, I know hard.
People will want to do this side now. They want to do that.
Yes. Okay. For the back. Okay.
It's okay. Just do your own side. If not that arc, you can't leave. No problem. But if you get godly man, don't leave the arc. That's it. And I know so you get godly man.
If I were thirsty,
no, give him water.
No worry. Yeah. We go do. Shut up. God bless you. You're too much. My team will not buy worry. So where worry.
Thank God.
You don't need to show me, just write it's okay. You're doing your way, my friend.
Do your way.
What the service guy? Service, do your way. Service. Do your way. Huh? Where are you?
I know.
Worry.
No, take.
Don't worry. Me. Oh, mama, I go warm now. But it's a good thing. Oh, me. 500. You don't get conscience. I carry you a day work 3-5 because you tell me say you want to do patching. I say okay, no worry, I'll add mineral for now. I come have 500. They don't tell me to thank you, sir. Call the bricklayer. Carpenter. Do your way, Akbar. Gamma, come and take. God bless you all. I'm staying with you, please. Yes, you make sense. We like Ego. Ladies and gentlemen, this carpenter likes money too much. And he's been working with me almost on my project. He worked in Eritio's house. You know, he worked with me in Eritio's house. He worked with me at EA in Ogiso's house. God bless him. He's a reliable person. But he likes money too much. So thank God. So amen to any project I'm going to who I tell you. So yeah. Just a little boy, we business well. We are going to buy. God bless you all. What's up? Exactly. You don't really go buy go with me. Careful. You have to cross business. All right, man. Do monitor. God bless you, man. Shall we? Sandra, drive. My man. So tomorrow, who can finish? Meeting win Amakwe. But because of a pa, I'll just drive out in the afternoon. You want to pay what? Yet I will live video.
Bro, tomorrow.
But I can decide to do live video if I so feel like.
Bro,
Where can key?
where that guy?
Go to the mount.
Mount.
Where's that list? Okay.
Abeg, before you go, help us share this video. And if you get anything where you want talk, you want discuss with Collins number dey here. You fit call him number. His account number still dey here in case you want donate to am. And this video make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.